just looking at the time frame, 17 years. Uh, think about what any industry looked like 17 years ago, and is it still, what was novel then? Is it actually useful to have a patent on that at this point? I think the bad rap that a lot of early investors who don't really care about content of patent portfolios get is, they're in industries where, in 5 years, the tech landscape is going to be completely different. And so in a lot of ways, patents don't matter for some of those businesses that are just looking at very high rates of innovation, and, potential obsolescence in the short term. So, it looks, again, I haven't had a chance to look at this file specifically, and it may be a different situation. But, if you're getting outside of a business cycle for whatever industry you're in, and you still got applications pending, you have to wonder, is this an efficient use of capital to continue investing in a technology or protection for a technology that might not even be useful by the time the patent issues? So that's the other just kind of strategic reason that I'll give. You imagine, let's say you're a new firm, you get a huge, just truckload of files that you're going to be working on, and you can sort through and explain to the director of IP or the general counsel or whatever, hey, we did a review. You've got, a third of these patents are pending, but they're, you can continue throwing money at them, but they're not going anywhere. That's a potentially big cost savings. Versus, you might slash down the amount of applications you have pending, but you clear up budget for protecting some new stuff. You're able to report up the chain that you've streamlined your operations. I think there are a lot of financial benefits that can be realized by just kind of looking and just taking a step back and saying, does it make sense to keep pursuing something for over a decade? It may have in this circumstance. I don't know. It's tough to envision a situation where that makes business sense.